Good evening, teacher. My name is Norma Sevilla. I am is first year course D. I am going to read and answer the question. What happens is you expose your skin to sunlight. I am expose my skin to sunlight. It gives my cancer. What do people typically feel when they don't get enough sleep? If I don't sleep, I get tired a day. What happens if you don't water your garden regularly? If I don't water, the plants die. What happens if you don't at hot stable? If I don't, they stable store my skin. What happens if you multiply any number by zero? I multiply by zero, it will always give my zero. Thank you, teacher. Is seeing you in the next class.